Dear students, this is Dev's Academy and we are continuing the theory of indices or laws of indices. All the sums of this chapter, that is indices, is done from Selena. You can get the sums from your Selena's book, and if you want any more sums from other books, you can send it to me in my comment box and I will solve it for you. Today you will get some 5 problems, solved problems. The first one, the solve. It is solved. 3 into 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. The solution is that 3 into 2 to the power x, we have multiplied 3 into 2 to the power x plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 to the power x plus 2, it is into 2 square, into 2 square. Next, plus 5 equal to 0. Let 2 to the power x equal to p, so it is 3p plus 3, and this is 2 to the power x equal to p, and 2 square means 4p plus 5 equal to 0. Or you may say 3p minus 4p equal to minus p plus 8 equal to 0, or minus p equal to minus 8, therefore p equal to 8, or p means 2 to the power x, p means 2 to the power x, therefore 2 to the power x equal to 8, or 2 to the power x equal to 2 cube. So you can say that x equal to 3. This is answer. Question number 2. If a to the power m to the power n equal to a to the power m into a to the power n, find the value of m into n minus 1 minus n minus 1. The solution is that a to the power m to the power n equal to a to the power m into n, or a to the power m into n means a to the power m into n equal to a to the power m into n equal to a to the power m plus n. It is given that a to the power m into n equal to a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power n, it is a to the power mn equal to a to the power m plus a to the power n. Therefore mn, this is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m into a to the power n, means this is a to the power m into a to the power n. It is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. M plus n. That is m into n equal to m plus n, m into n equal to n plus n. Now m into n minus 1 minus n into n minus 1 equal to, this is mn minus m minus n minus minus plus n. This mn, just see that mn equal to m plus n, mn equal to, so mn equal to m plus n minus m minus n plus 1. This m and this m will cancel out, and this n and this n will cancel out. So answer is only 1. Question number 3. If m equal to cube root of 15 and n equal to cube root of 14, find the value of m minus n minus 1 by m square plus mn plus n square. It is given that m equal to cube root of 15. Therefore m cube equal to cube root of 15 cube, that is 15. M cube equal to 15. Similarly n equal to cube root of 14. Therefore n cube is equal to cube root of 14 cube, that is n cube equal to 14. Now this one, m minus n minus 1 by m square plus mn plus n square equal to, we have solved it like this. You have multiplied this and this and minus 1, and this is m minus n into m square plus mn plus n square equal to m cube minus n cube, and this is minus 1, and m cube minus n cube, its value is 14 minus m cube value of m cube equal to 14 and n cube value minus it is 15 and this is 14. So 15 minus 14 minus 1, that is equal to 0 by the m square plus mn plus n square. So the its answer is 0. Next, evaluate. Evaluate means find the value of x to the power q by x to the power r to the power 1 by q by r, x to the power r by x to the power p by 1 by rp into x to the power p by x to the power q to the power 1 by pq. We have to find out its value. So this is x to the power q by r equal to x to the power q minus r and 1 by qr. Similarly, this is x to the power r minus p to the power 1 by rp and x to the power p minus q. This is p by q means p by q into 1 by pq, and this is x to the power qr into 1 by qr, that is qr by qr. Similarly, this is x to the power r by p into rp into x to the power p minus q by pq. So you can say that it is x to the power, you must know that x to the power a into x to the power b into x to the power c is equal to x to the power a plus b plus c. This is a plus b plus c. This is, you must know this formula. According to this formula, this is x to the power this plus this plus this. If we add this, we will get pq minus pr plus qr minus pq plus pr minus qr, and sum of this equal to 0, that is x to the power 0 equal to 1. Next, question number 5. Prove that a plus b plus c by a to the power minus 1 b to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 into c to the power minus 1 plus c to the power minus 1 minus a to the power minus 1 equal to abc. Now left hand side, a plus b by, this is 1 by a and this is 1 by b, that is 1 by ab. Similarly, this is 1 by bc and this is 1 by ca. If we add this, we will get a plus b plus c, and this is LCM is abc, and this is c 7 a divided by ab, it will be c bc divided by a, and c divided by ca, then it will be b. So this is also abc, that is a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, abc by a plus b plus c. They will cancel out each other, and the answer is, these will cancel out each other, and the answer is ABC. This is RHS, it is proved. So we have solved 5 problems and few problems are remaining. Next day, one day I will take for solving them, and then I will start logarithm. So follow the classes regularly. Thank you.